Hi guys, welcome to Just Camera with Grishma. Two photographers, two brands and two point of views. Today we have Hasini and Arovi, two highly experienced photographers, talk about their experiences with their respective camera brands. So without further ado, let's hand over the mic to Hasini and Arovi. So Hasini, what's your point of view on picture quality?
So talking about the Sony's picture quality, Sony delivers a very colorful and vibrant images which is perfect for the modern day digital content creation.
And what about you, Arovi?
Canon gives bright and natural images which looks very colorful and realistic and also pleasing.
So Hasini, what about autofocus?
So when it comes to autofocus, Sony has an industry leading tracking autofocus which makes it look very effortless while tracking the subject.
And what about you, Arovi?
So when it comes to autofocus, it has a very accurate and reliable autofocus, especially during portraits and professional photography.
What about video options?
So talking about the video options, it combines strong colors with powerful shooting options and with advanced cooling performances.
Your opinion, Arovi?
Color science looks very beautiful and cinematic, but it needs a little more cooling performance betterment.
Hasini, let's talk about lens.
So when it comes to the lenses, Sony has a huge range of third-party lenses, making it more useful during content creation.
So Hasini, last but not the least, user interface, what's your point of view?
So it has more advanced features which make it slightly confusing for the beginner level of content creators, but it gives more deeper control during the shooting.
And Arovi?
When it comes to the user interface in Canon, it has a very simple and beginner-friendly advancement, which is very easy for the beginners to use.
That's it for today, guys. Please let us know which camera brand would you prefer, and thank you for tuning with us.